And we find this idea proving very successful in certain countries. Honorable Chief Justice Ahmadi has mentioned about the report in USA. In the USA, particularly in the state of California, we were shown the statistics that out of 100 cases, hardly 6 or 7 go to conventional trial, and the rest are solved by alternative or consensual dispute resolution system. And this system is also such that it is in a position to harness the vast amount of judicial experience and judicial knowledge in the society itself, from the retired judges at all levels and professional lawyers who are inclined to serve the society, social workers who want to serve the society and helping the litigants through alternative dispute resolution. Is it then one of the means of ensuring justice to all? It depends on the question of trust. One has to trust that the litigants have certain psychological systems or principles, and if you can approach by that, the litigants may be gone over to alternative systems of mediation, conciliation, arbitration, and even the compromise through the judicial system itself. So this may be one of the trends, particularly in a populated country like our own, and the increasing number of cases is a sign of right consciousness among the people. Therefore, that is not to be afraid of. But then the solution, if it is to come from the society itself, over and above what has been provided by the state judicial system, that may be of some avail to the society. And so far as the importance of law is concerned, even Manu said in those days, Niti Kilo, Mati Kilo, Taruba. Law is like the tree on the river bank. It keeps the bank, prevents the bank from being eroded by the river water. And it is law that protects the society, and justice, if it is protected, it will protect the society. Or having organized this concern, and that you very successfully. I would conclude my speech. Please. Please.
Dignitaries and friends, Adish Agarwal has requested me to spare some time to associate myself in this large function. The subject chosen is justice for all. I do not want to elaborate myself particularly on this issue. I have got some other engagement, I must fulfill that engagement. formal and read for the program. I heard the eloquent speeches of the former Chief Justice of India and so many other legal experts. I am not an advocate, but may I pose a question to some of our friends? Justice to all is a very vast subject to debate. If you confine yourself to the judicial system, then you must go back to the place where litigation starts. It depends upon whether a person investigates the case, if it's a criminal case. If the investigation itself is a party investigation, then even at the lower court or the appellate courts, it has to depend upon the investigation made by an officer who is loyal to the administrative system. I do not want to go on and argue on all these issues. If every constitutional bodies are going to function taking note of the merit of the issue, then we can discuss on the question of the justice to all. If the political system is going to be rooted, if the legislative system is going to be rooted, then you cannot expect only the judicial system. The subject what we have discussed is justice to all, because it starts from the level of the political system, and you cannot separate it the judicial system. The whole system today in this country is started eroding. I do not want to make a big lecture here. We are watching at every stage with our little experience in the last 50 years how we are deteriorating in every walk of life. I could have dealt this issue of social justice. Somebody raised that issue, the social justice. How we are now facing tension in the society. You asked me to administer the oath to all the dignitaries present in the August gathering. Question of equality. We have taken oath. Where is equality? Can we really touch our heart and say every citizen of this country is getting that benefit? It is all our constitutional frameworks have taken abundant care how to prevent the tension in the society and the inequality in the society. All these things are in the constitutional book. Now, I don't want to take much of your time because it's a very vast subject. So justice to all is concerned. Not only the delay in delivering judgments, what are the issues that is going to be the contributing factor for the delay of judgments. So all these things become very, the legal system or the present situation what is prevailing in the country today. Everybody thinking in terms of their own interest. I can narrate, I can give sufficient supporting argument in my utterances. I do not want to hurt the feelings of anybody. When Chief Justice Ahmadi was laying a foundation stone in my home state as the Chief Minister, I asked the accountability. I was immediately hurt. And then after his speech, I again come and try to clarify. Now we are discussing how things are eroding in this country. Every retiring Chief Justice says there is corruption in judicial system. Retiring Chief Justices, when they are going home, emptying the office, they say the corruption in the judicial system. Who is to set right? Who is to set right? I don't want to hurt the feelings of our own legal luminaries who are present here. Because I have got some other program. I would like to conclude. I want to express my thanks. I don't want to debate on this issue. Because it takes me to a very serious matter. With another experience, I can narrate some of the things. We have chosen a subject which is very difficult to provide justice to all in a present system of society. Political system is deteriorating, legislative system is deteriorating, judicial system, our own, the retiring Chief Justice, when they are debating the office, says there is more than 30% corruption in this country. I don't know who is to separate this. Ultimately, everybody needs to think and work for their conscience. Thank you very much.
Now, please and now Justice J.D. Jain, our retired Judge, Delhi High Court, will put vote of thanks. Please take your seat.
That you have been so nice and so good in keeping quiet and patiently hearing the public speak. But I must say that our cherished goal, justice for all, is a long way to go. It is a very, very long way to go. And unless we all determine, all resolve that we will be fair to each other, we cannot get any justice from the courts alone. So I am making a confession that way. We don't see me as myself. I have been seen, and my experience is that we cannot deliver justice to all with the present system unless all the personal elements who are concerned in the crime, who are concerned in the litigation, and who are actually affected thereby are all honest, with moral support, with moral outlook, and it is the morality actually of the whole nation which matters. In these small words, I thank you all for coming today and giving us the honor of being here. Thank you.
Thank you to all, and kindly join for tea upstairs.